Momentum analysis number 6. Okay, understanding Japanese candlestick. Number 6, we have morning star and evening star. These are some of the rarest, but some of the strongest. Okay, so a morning star is a candlestick pattern where you find the market is going up. Okay, the market is going down. So this is the morning star. The market is going down. So maybe you can draw this as a red one. Okay, the price is going down, down. Okay, and then all of a sudden you see a huge candle drop like that. Okay, that's a nice candle right there. And then you see like some sort of a doji, or maybe a tiny body right here, a doji right there. And then you get a bullish candle right there going up. So this is what we call a morning star. Okay, a combination of 3 candlestick patterns. Okay, so we have a morning star and an evening star. Morning star happens below, down, okay, as we look for buying opportunities. Evening star, vice versa. So they are on top. So this is an evening star right here, looking to sell. So you see a combination of 3, but the names doesn't matter so long as you understand the context, okay, or whatever is happening. The names should not even bother you. Okay, just train your eyes to look at the patterns, and that's it, because they give a lot of information on what is happening on the market. Okay, so you can see we had a huge candle going up. Okay, then a doji up there, and then boom, a bearish candle. Okay, then we are entering with this candle, so you can either enter immediately, okay, or just wait for a pullback to the supply zone or to the doji. We talked about this earlier on the doji, on how to trade with the doji. Okay, so you just wait for the price to pull back to the doji right there, and then you take your short position. Boom, right there. Understood? Are you with me? Okay, so that's an evening star. Let's get the morning star. Took me a while to find these ones. They were quite rare. Okay, so you can see the market is going up, pulling. Okay, as I told you, these candlesticks confirmations normally happen either on a reversal or a pullback. Reversal on a pullback, it's also a reversal because the market is going up, short term downtrend, and then boom, up. The long term trend is up, but the long term trend is up, but the short term is pullback is also a short term bearish trend. Okay, understood? Makes sense. So here is it. You can see we had a nice candlestick dropping, then we had a nice doji here, and then boom, engulfing. Okay, then you wait for the market to pull before you take your buying trade right there. So in this case, this is how I would have taken this trade. I don't even remember if I took this trade. I don't know. This is quite a while back. It's like back last year. So these are nice opportunity right here. Wait for the market to pull back to this level right there before buying. Okay, if you miss that, you can see we also have a consolidation. So this is a bunch of dojis right here. As I talked on the doji, I said this is a market right here, or a mall for the Gen Zs. So this is where we are looking to buy and sell. Okay, so if you see multiple dojis aligning, you are looking for an opportunity to continue with the trend, potentially forming a flag. Okay, happens quite a lot. Okay, makes sense. Yeah, so that's it on the harami, on the morning star and the evening star. It took quite a while to see both of these. Okay, but you can see they are not really often. Okay, you cannot see them quite often. Okay, so here was one. So they come in different variations, so it's up to you to master this. Okay, to watch several times these videos. Okay, and also make sure you like right now, and if you want some more help, check the link in the description to join my free Telegram channel to get my trades and more help. Okay, yeah, so there we go. You can see market going down, then a tiny body right there before boom, shooting up. Okay, gaining momentum, and then we are looking to buy at the doji, as I told you. Okay, so we are looking to buy right here, wait for the market to pull all the way to there, boom, and you can see quite sure the market pulled before shooting back up. All right, I hope it's helpful, man. If this is helpful, don't forget to drop a like, man. Just smash the like button for your boy. Okay, so that's it. Next up, we are going on to the seventh, that will help you analyze price action and the momentum easily. Okay, so see you on the next one.